Basically, run down the video. I got my steering wheel. It looks really cool. It's a quick release, like, yeah. Yeah, pretty cool. I think it makes it look a little ding if I put it back on. Yep. Nice. Only problem, currently at least, I need some Loctite. I was watching Chris Fisk's video and the guy said, put some Loctite
with a little bit of medium strength thread locker, and
that's basically run down. They get some Loctite for these bolts to the automobile. I tried to do like some walking intro to make it cinematic, but like, fucking my luck, all the neighbors were out, so they're staring at me like, I looked at a fucking meme of the guy with the GoPros on his head, you know, like, gotta get like 500 fucking things for the homeless. I'm gonna just go to halfords quickly, so let's start up the car. I'm fucking freezing, by the way. Like, it is so fucking cold. Yeah, I mean, hopefully, if everything goes well tomorrow, this is gonna be the last day I got this shitty fucking OEM wheel. Fucking hate this piece of shit. Ah. Excuse me, guys. Anyway, I've been fucking yapping. Let's get going. I'll cut back to y'all on the road because, like, I love y'all, but I'd rather y'all not see exactly where it lives, you know, so, yeah. Transition. Well, hey, okay, we're back. Okay, we're on the road. On the way to halfords. Yeah. I tell you, bro, to anyone that works in a car, you know how much of like an essential trip this is when you're doing anything. I swear to God, it is a kind of event when you work on your car that you realize you need to get something, or you're about to work in your car. You're like, ah, fuck, I need to go to halfords. It's either halfords, screw fix, or tool station. It's one of those free. It always happens. I'm trying to really think what to talk about in terms of stuff that's happened to the car. I mean, oh, sorry. I mean, the most biggest thing, I got some fucking new wheels. So I'm not on my OEM stocks no more. I'm on Stuttgart ST6s, 16x8. I don't know the offset. I'm assuming like maybe 30 to 40. I don't know. Other reason I'm saying that is because they're on a Honda Civic with the same bolt pattern offset factory as my car. So I don't know what offset they are because I asked the guy and he said he didn't know either. Or not, it wasn't a guy, it was a woman, sorry. I asked the girl. But yeah, I got my new wheels. I'm planning to get a charge cooler on this for next weekend. Or this weekend, actually no, it'll probably be on this weekend. I'm planning to get it on Sunday. Actually no, sorry, no. It will be on by next week. Yeah, I'm getting Sunday, and probably by the time I come back, it's gonna be like hella dark. So probably gonna start on Monday, hopefully. I might vlog that as well. But yeah, I mean, got that. Obviously gonna get the new steering wheel on and charge cooler. I'm gonna get my cat. I was gonna get a decap pipe, but I just couldn't really fucking, I couldn't really live with myself paying 100 quid for a pipe. So I decided to bend that idea. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, I was gonna get a decap pipe, but I'm just gonna gut my cat pipe in my mate's place because I realized all I really need is a chisel and a hammer, and my mate has a hammer and I can just get the chisel. I mean, he probably has a chisel at his place. He has a fucking old like workshop he works in, so, you know, it's one of them in it. Yeah, I mean, just getting the car ready for, I guess, for driving season. I mean, spring is coming soon-ish, I guess. I mean, we're heading to February. The weather feels a bit better. Like, it's still cold as shit though, but it feels a bit nicer. So yeah, that's something at least, I guess, you know. But yeah, I mean, okay, love that, love that van, love that. I forgot, I think it's school rush hour, isn't it, for me? Not for me, I mean the town. Come on, Jimmy, you gotta give me something. I mean, I'm just doing some of the last things I want to do to the car before I get like rust repaired, because honestly, last thing, actually probably the one thing I probably will do before I start rust repairing it, or I might rust repair it before, it depends. I want to get some new tires because I'm fucking hate these tires. Like, I no shade to the previous owner of these wheels, but I mean, mostly at least, but I don't know what the fuck they're thinking. Yeah, I'm on a 16 by 8. I'm on 195s all around. Keep in mind, my 16 by 16.6.5 like wheels, those were on 205s all around. And also the best part, the mismatch and basically like ling longs. But then again, these wheels cost me like $250, so I can't complain. It's just a bit frustrating. But that's on me for getting wheels, not being able to get tires. To ups and downs. Yeah, I mean, the reason why I'm replacing the stock wheel with a quick release is two things. One, swag points. I just think it'll look cool. Actually, no, it'd be three things actually. Swag points, number one. Number two, bucket seat. I also have my Cobra bucket seat, and it's not the worst to get in and out of, but I don't like the fact sometimes there's like a really tight spot. I might have to move my seat back or something. I just can't be bothered, you know. Sometimes I get off my fucking work shift, I'm like, bro, I'm fucking tired, man. I gotta squeeze in this tiny ass car. I mean, I'm not tall as myself, so it helps. I mean, I'm fucking short as shit, but you know, even for me, even for short niggas, man, like it's kind of fucking AIDS getting in and out of a bucket seat. So that's one thing. And number three is I just want a shorter, a smaller diameter steering wheel, as I don't think it's the most terrible size OEM wheel, the Nardi steering wheel for the mx5, but I do think like it would benefit, especially if you're doing like a lot of back roads and kind of tighter like turns all the time, to have a smaller steering wheel, just to kind of get a bit more twitchy input, you know. Because currently, like, the problem with this one is like you have to really turn it a lot, at least in my opinion, to kind of get the rotation I want. I mean, that also could be due to the fact I don't have a good alignment, but which is also another thing I need to get. I'm probably going to need to get alignment when I get my new tires. But yeah. Actually, no. You know what go-to mod I need to do? I need to do my fucking screen washer bottle reallocation, man. I've been fucking dealing this shit in the winter, yeah, with no screen washer fluid. You know how fucking AIDS that is? I fucking hate it, man. Look, the ups and downs. What a fucking shithole, bro. Turning right. Yeah. I never trust when people say to turn. Oh, GT86. I never trust when people are like had the signals on, because like I know technically they're probably gonna turn right, but I've seen videos where like they just don't, and you just get into them. It's a mandatory thing, mandatory. Is that a clear straightaway I see? Going up to the speed limit, by the way. I wasn't speeding for anyone watching. And I got up to GT86, so no, it's a BRZ. But yeah, I mean, the car has been decent. I mean, aside from the fucking screen washer fluid thing in the winter. Like, as for rust, I mean, obviously, I'm getting a welder, so it's not good. But it hasn't gotten, like, severely worse, I will say that. And honestly, I think it's just because I've been cleaning the car, like, fairly consistently. I haven't been on it as much lately, because I've been kind of lazy, to be fair. But yeah, I need to fix the fucking tune. It's fucking shit right now. But yeah, I haven't been on it as much recently. But aside from that, I mean, the car has been fairly okay. Like, the rust has not gotten significantly worse from what I've seen, which is good. I mean, I checked the engine bay, make sure that was fine. I also put rust converter where I could. And yeah, I mean, I think the key is just clean out your wheel wells and clean out the underneath. Like, literally just, why do you have the jet wash now? I just fucking spray underneath quickly to get all the grime off. Cause usually, with rust, it's like, it's not really water that rust shit out. It's like, as long as your shit is under sealed. It's just the fucking grime in the water. So as long as you're spraying out with some clean water, yeah, you should be fine. It should be. I mean, it's working out for me so far, so. You know, I don't know, what can I say? I don't know why I made that noise. Fucking sound like a fucking dying goat, man. Like, oh fuck, you know. The only thing I hate about this road towards Epsom from the downs, bro, if you live in Surrey, you know it, bro. This fucking place has so many little potholes and shit. I ain't all, but just like little deviations in the road that just fucking make it really bumpy. I fucking hate it. Standoff. I'm gonna go. Like I was saying, what I like about these cars when you boost them and you don't put like crazy amounts of it, you can daily these. Like the thing is, I get asked so much in my DMs like, oh, like I've been thinking about trying turbo or like supercharged mx5. Can I do it? You think it's reliable? And all the question is, the answer is yeah. Like you can boost these things, and like I personally would not go above 8 psi. I think, I can't remember. Don't quote me on this because I'm not too sure. Because my blower does not go up to this psi anyway. But I think it's 12 psi. That's like rated for stock internals. That's like safe. Personally, my rule of thumb for those type of numbers is like, if it's like something like, I know in this car like 250 horsepower is the limit for like the gearbox and the engine on stock internals. I always minus 20 from that. So if it's, I would only go to 230 horsepower on this with stock internals. I know it could go to 250, but it's just not safe. Now with a turbo, it might be, it's more easier because obviously you can like literally lock off your boost and whatnot. But also with a supercharger, that's just fixed, and the only way you can really lock it off, I guess, is, why do you have 2 plates? The only way you can really lock it off is you cut your RPM like prematurely, which I am planning to do down the line, as I want to get a reduction pulley, and I think you have to kind of put the RPM at like 6,500 for redline, or else you're going to overspin your supercharger. I have been thinking about getting an M62 unit, like my friend Zane down the line. The only problem, I need to get something with a well-meter bracket. Only reason why is it's a bigger blower, so I can make more power, and 2, I get a clutch supercharger, so I can turn it on and off for gas economy. Epson clock tower. You know, low-key, like, you know, tell a lie. No, is it tell a lie? Touch wood? I forgot the British saying, whatever. I remember when I first came here to this country, I thought that was like, I'm not gonna lie, I thought that was fucking Big Ben for a sec. I realized it wasn't Big Ben. I had to ask my auntie, like, was that fucking Big Ben? She was like, no. But I thought it was Big Ben, because I was thinking, god damn, that was kind of fucking disappointing. But no. What was I talking about? I go on tangents too much, man. Too many tangents. Boost. Oh yeah, boost. But like, yeah, I mean, I think you can take these things up to 12 psi. I think. I mean, I don't know. So that's not bad, but I will only go to 8 psi, which you can do with these blowers, I think, if you do get a good enough reduction pulley. I mean, driving scene is gonna be close. I mean, oh, bro, one thing I'm looking forward to this year the most, I'm not gonna lie, so far, is the fucking Isle of Wight, man. Me and my friend Luke, he has a really cool NA. I fucking love his NA, it's so cool. We're going to the Isle of Wight, hopefully, I think it's on the 17th of May, the event. And bro, I'm looking forward to it so much, because the car hopefully be a lot more put together by then. And bro, Isle of Wight, in the like near like early summer, drop top, bro, that's just gonna be vibes, man. That's gonna be fucking vibes. But fucking hell, better vibes than this shit, bro. The other thing I love about this car is like, this thing makes everything look like a fucking tank. Like that A5 looks giant. That cyclist looks fucking big to me, man. Like, you're just so low to the ground in these things that like every fucking single car, every entity on the road, it looks like a Goliath, like next to you. That's the word, yeah, Goliath. They reversed the Goliath. Ooh, an MGTF. Don't see those all the time. I like the MGTF because that's basically a British MR2. You can come around. I always hate when fucking people get so close to you in parking lots. Cause I'm trying to fucking back up in somewhere and they just don't give you space. So I see y'all want to come back. I've got me Loctite, yeah, Loctite's equipped. So now time to go home. I'm gonna give you all a little hot start. My shit, just a neutral, yeah. Yeah, custom tune for the win. All right, we're back. I did the most fucking ghetto shit. I realized I had this long ass wire, and so I just connected it, and it's long enough where I can still turn my head to see. So for the time being, this is just gonna be the setup. My phone's charged enough, so anything for the vlog, bro. Anything for content. To be fair though, I'm not gonna lie, I might just get a fucking long ass wire and just do this from now on. I was wondering how they can record my drives a bit better without having to fucking switch batteries all the time. So That's a really nice blue. Guys, you know what it reminds me of, yeah? It reminds me of that blue you get on some of those some of those MX5s, you know? The splash green, yeah, it reminds me of splash green on MX5. I had a splash green MX5, it was that fucking really shitty one that fucking burnt cool all the time. I had it for like a month before I sold it.
И с нами молодой принц с картошечкой и брагой. Опа! Я модный